Are your Facebook comments buried, hidden, or not showing up? This is a common Facebook glitch, and we're fixing it right now. First up, method 1, clearing your app cache. This removes any corrupted temporary files that might be blocking comments. Simply open your phone settings, navigate to apps, find Facebook, select storage and cache, then tap both clear cache and clear storage. Then restart your Facebook app and check if comments are back. If that doesn't immediately resolve the issue, outdated software often causes display problems, which brings us to method 2, updating your Facebook app. Head to your device's App Store, search for Facebook and tap Update to ensure you're running the latest version with all bug fixes. A quick update often resolves many persistent display issues. Still having trouble? Method 3 involves adjusting your comment filtering settings. Sometimes Facebook's own privacy or moderation settings can inadvertently hide comments. Go to Facebook's Settings and Privacy, then Profile Settings, select Posts and review who can comment and any active comment filters. Make sure nothing is too restrictive. Finally, if all else fails, a fresh start is best with method 4, reinstalling the Facebook application. This completely resets the app, eliminating deep-seated data conflicts. When install Facebook, restart your device, then reinstall it from your App Store and log back in. Your Facebook comments should now be fully visible and working.